Welcome to the CIFDAQ Wallet Installation Guide for macOS. Follow these simple steps to download and install your CIFDAQ wallet securely. Click on the Download Wallet option at the home page's bottom left corner. The wallet setup file will automatically start downloading. Once the download is complete, a browser prompt may question the software's nature. Choose Keep to proceed, ensuring your trust in CIFDAQ. Next, locate the downloaded file in your downloads. Drag and drop this file into the Applications folder. Navigate to Applications and try to open the CIFDAQ wallet. Apple's advisory will appear, which is standard. Click the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Select Security and Privacy. Under the Security tab, you'll find a notification about CIFDAQ. Click Open Anyway. Enter your macOS password when prompted. Then find CIFDAQ in Finder, right-click and choose Open. Your CIFDAQ wallet is now ready to use. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the CIFDAQ wallet on your macOS. Thank you for choosing CIFDAQ. Once you open the CIFDAQ wallet, if you're already a CIFDAQ user, you can log in with your password. Forgot it? Hit up the Recovery Your Wallet option. New to CIFDAQ? Just click on Create New Wallet and just sign up with your email, set a password, confirm it, drop in your mobile number, agree to the terms, and hit Send or Continue. New users, you'll get a secret recovery phrase. Keep it safe. It's your key to password recovery. Almost there. Check your email for a 4-digit OTP. Enter it quickly. It's only good for 3 minutes. Can't find it? Peek in your spam folder. And boom! You're all set. Your CIFDAQ wallet is ready to rock on your PC or Mac. Welcome to the CIFDAQ family. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome guides. Until next time, stay savvy and secure.